Okay guys, what's going on? Hopefully everybody is doing good and safe. Right here we got a package that I ordered. I'm gonna pull it out of the thing there. Okay, what we got here guys is a solar panel charger, smart power bank right there. Now you can charge your phones, your iPad, whatever. You can charge games, MP3s, and whatever. It's got two USBs built in. Let's get rid of that paperwork and crack this thing freaking open. Comes with, okay, one of these, compass, keychain. I guess so you could attach it somehow to your pack. I don't even know how you attach this to it. Maybe a hook it on a hook here. Let's get it out of the package. It also comes with a short charger to charge your phone more efficiently and better. And reserve. Taking it out of the... Oh, there's a light on. Look at that, guys. It's charging. Let me put these papers in my pocket. It's charging, guys. It's pretty cool. Freezing out here in Pennsylvania, guys. Northeast Pennsylvania. That's pretty cool. Got a little charger here. We're gonna bust that open. Oh, literally, it just busted it. Okay. So stretch it out a little bit. Okay. What I'm gonna do, guys? I have my phone. Got my older phone here. I'm gonna plug in the cord to the phone. Okay. Just bear with me. There we go. All right. Now, right here is the USB. There's two USBs that pop open, obviously. And you have a light in the back. I don't know if these are just supposed to be 90,000 or 90 million, whatever. But you can see, guys, that my phone is charging. So you got some blue lights there as well. These two are blue, this one is green. So, you know, the phones are weird like that. So I'm actually charging my phone. I just took it out of the package. So what I'm going to do is just pop that out again. I don't want to charge my phone just yet. And how you charge this thing, guys, is with the plug. You put the plug in there, the same plug on your phone. You pop it in there, put it in a USB charger. That's pretty cool. Power bank. One, two clicks, turns the light on. Apparently it's got 6 LEDs, I believe. It's supposed to have a SOS. I don't know how to work it, guys, yet. Just got it. It's got the little clip there. I guess that's the only way you could use the little clip thing to hold it onto something. You would have to, I thought this wasn't going to show up. There, you'd have to put that on like that. Then this part will go on your pack. And you can put it on so this is facing the sun and start charging. The phone does pick up green really good. So if we go over here, guys, it's freezing out here in the sun. Let's see how much the snow. We had like 7 foot of snow this year already. It turns green because it's charging. Now, of course, guys, this isn't going to be enough to charge this pack. You need to leave this out in full sun for 24 hours for 10 days. Just to charge this battery, but every little bit helps, especially if you're out in the woods. You see the solar panel in there. If you're out in the woods and you're lost, you know, you'll get enough maybe to charge your phone up a little bit and make that emergency call. Okay guys, so if you want to run a light, like you get these, you would be on eBay or wherever, but cheap, you know. You could rewire this for a smaller smaller type of wire like this. All right, and you'll be able to have light in your tent or whatever. We're gonna plug this in, emergency lighting. Now I do want to show you that it has 2 USB ports and a plug to charge her up, because the sun ain't gonna charge these guys. Oh, look at that, guys. These 2 are blue, this is green. It looks really dull on the camera, but this is pretty bright, guys. It's pretty bright light, especially in your tent at nighttime. So pretty cool. Just gonna let it charge a little bit out here and we'll come back. Oh yeah, it's charging, it's green. So guys, these are kind of bright at nighttime, not during the day. They're dull during the day, but at nighttime they are bright. Perfect for a tent, but a shorter cord would be a lot better than so let's go down here, guys. Put it in the sun a little bit. Yeah, I don't know, I guess it's on 1% in the battery because it's only oh man, the thing popped up there, so I don't really want to damage it too much. Get dirt in there and stuff ain't gonna function right. It's just plastic, guys. Don't be throwing yours on the ground like that. That's just an accident, you know, that I tossed it on the ground. But then we have it on a little hook for your backpack. I think it's still a good use for a light. It's got a flashlight. You could just charge this up in an emergency, use this as a flashlight. You could just flip this up, some way rig this up in the tent with that light, you know, flashing down or something, and use that as a light in the tent. But you know, there's a lot of other things. I wanted this for something. I wanted to turn this into something. I want to add more solar panels to it to charge it. I had a solar panel, put it connected in there and stuff, and charge this on a solar panel. Then it's basically, you know, free. But anyway, guys, hey, thanks for watching, man. I appreciate it. I'll just put this back, save it for another day. And actually, I'm going to plug it in and charge it. So, for the first time we use it. I just got it in the mail today. So, these are just like, I forget what you call these little lamps, but you could buy these cheap on eBay. Anyways, guys, hey. Cool. Look, it's still charging it in the case. Green light. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Great for camping, you know, charge something up. And you know, you can watch a movie on your phone, whatever, in the tent. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Pretty cool. I like it.